Good morning. I am going to have a really productive day today. It's going to be a mix between productive and self-care. My breakfast getting sorted at the moment, exactly right now. I took some frozen fruit out so that I can defrost and I can eat that during the day. I normally wouldn't have potato waffles for breakfast, but I have no other food in the house. I'm going to start, not exactly a to-do list, but kind of. Hey, so I just got home and I need to get a lot of stuff done. I actually got my camera. So it's all fixed. I got a film for it as well, so I just need to figure out how to actually use it because it has so many different like buttons and things on it. So yeah, I think I want to start off easy. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna clean the bedroom and then I'll wash dishes, clean the bin, and yeah, cool, let's go. Oh, I didn't realize, but I had left all my stuff on the bed. This is stuff I washed and I never put away, so I need to do that. I need to listen to music. Let's go and do the dishes before I lose all motivation. As you can see, loads. Oh. I use this to clean the bin. These are things my mother was throwing out and I was like, it's kind of cute, especially for the summertime where I don't wear duvet. Yeah. Perfect. Can't believe that's actually done. I'm actually going to read a little. There it is. I'm gonna read some of this. I finished reading, but I'm really hungry. I'm thinking of making like a big dirty burger. Let's start. We can figure it out as we go. I'm gonna eat some of this. You can't get good mango in Ireland. You can't get it. This frozen stuff is the best you can get. So change of plan. I got really hungry. I had a cup of tea and ate loads of biscuit. I'm gonna start trying to clean this area. It's just a mess. It's a dumping bin. I think I'm gonna do all the bags that I use a lot just here. Cool. This here is a memory box. These are presents I got from friends and my mum. They will put the cards into the memory box. I really need to just fix this mess.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where
I just throw all the socks into this bag and then try to find like all the odd socks in this bag, and then once all the washing is done I can find the extras for the matches. So I'm working tomorrow, but then I'm off the next day, so I can actually get quite a bit done, I think. Really this week I have therapy on Thursday, which is fine. Oof, it's hot. What I really want is to find, it's funny because I fixate on these little things and then once I can't do them I lose motivation for everything else. I need to find the piece of this that goes into the wall because I haven't been able to put up my curtains. But I have so many toolboxes and different tools everywhere. I don't know where it's gone. Either way. Then I'm gonna sit down later around 7:30 and relax. Watch TV. Do something. About a month ago I went and I put up this shelf here and never put anything on it. So I'm gonna put my shoes up there because I don't actually wear the shoes that much, and I think that if I see them I'll wear them more because I'm like, oh yeah. My bread. Okay. Yeah. Salt on my tomatoes. Cool, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. Let's try. Oh no, it already fell over. Oh my god, though. Done.